Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natalia.Armoni and I'm back with another hair tutorial. So today I'll be showing you guys how to pluck and lay your wigs like a pro using VSHOW hair. So VSHOW sent me their 20-inch Malaysian straight frontal wig. And I wanted to give you guys a quick look of the inside of the wig. This is how it looks. It came with 4 combs on the inside and some elastic straps in the back to tighten the wig. This is how the lace looks. It looks pretty good on my skin. Okay, to start off, you want to have your wig on a canvas head, and then you want to stretch the lace in the front as far as you can and pinning it down on the canvas head. So you want to have at least 4 T-pins holding down the wig. So we're going to start by brushing all the hair to the back and smoothing it out. So here I'm showing you guys how the hairline looks. So you can see how it's thinner in the front and gets thicker in the back. We're going to use the front thin pieces as a guide. So we're just going to take that part out because we're not going to pluck that since it's already thinned out. We're going to pluck behind. So basically the point of plucking is to thin out any thick pieces so your hair can look more natural. So like I said, we're going to comb that piece out and we're going to take our tweezers. I advise you to use some really good tweezers, and then we're going to start plucking. So the way I pluck is I pluck one section, skip, pluck another section, skip, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing here. I'm just plucking, skipping over, plucking, skipping over, plucking, skipping over. Also, you don't want to pluck this section for too long. Your tweezers should always be going up and down, up and down. Don't focus on one section for too long because that's how you get bald spots. And then you want to comb through the hair so you can see the progress you made after plucking that section. And I also want to mention that I'm doing this on damp hair. So whenever your hair gets dry, just go ahead and take your water bottle and spray it again and then start plucking. So again, we're plucking the sections and then skipping over, and then I'm also plucking behind the line and any thick pieces that I see. So if you see like one gap of thick pieces, you want to like pluck in the middle of that to like thin it out. And again, don't forget to comb because this also helps make sure that you're not over plucking. It's helping you see like what you're doing. So as you can see, here's how it looks after I pluck through it like 2 times and comb through it. It's looking pretty good and natural. So now you can start plucking again because I seen that it looked a little bit thick in that area. So we're just going to thin that out some more. So now we're going to comb our guide back, and remember that was the hairs in the front that was already thinned out. We're going to comb them back with the other hairs so we can see the gradient effect and see if we have any more plucking that we need to do. So this is how it's looking. It's not too thick anymore. It's thinned out, and you can leave it like that or you can go back in plucking, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm really going for a natural hairline, but I seen some clumps of hair that I felt needed to be thinned out. So here's how the hair looked before the plucking, which was really thick. It's not natural looking at all. And here's how it looks now. It looks so good, guys. So now you want to move on to the next side and repeat the same steps. I'm not going to talk through this side. I'm just going to let you guys watch this. So I feel this is the best way to hold your tweezers to give you more control. So this is how your hairline should look once you're done plucking. You don't see any thick hairs. Everything is thinned out and looking nice and natural. So now we're about to lay this wig. I already did the stocking cap method, so I'm just applying the wig right now, measuring it to my head, seeing how I like it, and then we're going to cut the air tabs off so the wig can lay nice and flat. And if you're a beginner, I have a more detailed video on how I lay my wigs. I'll be sure to leave the link down below. Next step is to clean your hairline off with alcohol so your glue can stick properly. When applying the glue, I do little dots and then I take my popsicle stick and smooth it out evenly. And we're going to use 2 layers of Ghost Bond glue. And now you want to pull your wig forward and lay it right in the glue. And once it's in the glue in the right spot, you want to take your rat tail comb and just comb through it and press it in. Now with cutting the excess lace off, I like to take my scissors and cut directly in the middle and then cut the remainder of the lace off using my razor. And we're going to use a sawing motion to get it off, and this is going to help your lace lay so natural and be unclockable. You want to keep your hair tied up for at least 30 minutes. So straight out the box, this wig was just giving side part. So we're going to do a side part today, and I'm going to show you guys how to lay this hair like a professional. So what I'm going to do, I'm parting out the side part, and what I'm going to do, and I'm going to take a wax stick. Yes, sis, a wax stick. So you want to take your wax stick and smooth out all those flyaways, smooth out the part and wherever you want the hair to lay. And then you're going to take your hot comb and then you're going to press it out. And this is what makes your hair lay so natural, like so good. Just watch and see. Now it's time for some baby hairs. So like always, I'm going to take some little pieces out in the front, and then I'm going to use my razor comb to cut them down a little bit. And after that, I'm going to take my alcohol-free mousse. Mind you, it has to be alcohol-free. If it has alcohol in it, it will lift your lace. And you're going to take that alcohol-free mousse and just start laying your baby hairs. And the last step is to take your rapid strips and tie up your baby hairs and let this sit for at least 10 minutes. Style your hair how you would like it. Take the rapid strips off, brush your edges out, and your look is completed. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I love filming it. Let me know in comments below any other videos you guys would like to see. I love you all like always, and I'll see you in my next video.